Hello once again. We are moving on with our science work. We are looking at environment, and we said the environment is anything that surrounds us. Now here we want to go further with our work. In our environment, we've got two things. We are going to find things that are living or things that are alive. And at the same time, we are going to find non-living. Alright, so what do we mean living things? And what do we mean non-living things? Someone is here to catch something. Alright, so we are saying living things, they are those things that need air. Now, can you begin to think? What are the things around us that needs air? First of all, you look at yourself and say that, oh yes, I need air. I breathe all the times. So you are the first person who needs air. So we are going to say animals need air. And the animals, they are always around us. Living things also, they grow. And the first thing that you're going to think of is yourself. You were once a baby and now you're growing. That means you are a living thing. If you have puppies at home, first of all, they were puppies and then they grew up into a very big dog. Or else you've got a cat. All these things, they grow. So even a tree. At first, it was a small tree and then it grew into a big tree. That means these are living things because they grow. Another way of finding out which one is a living thing, there are those things that need food. Again, you're going to find out that you are the one who needs food. You eat in the morning, you eat in the evening, things like that. So a human being or a person is also a living thing because you need food. All the animals, they need food. Even plants, for them to grow, they need food. And the last thing that we are going to look at is living things, they reproduce. To reproduce, it might seem to be a hard word, but I want this to be your new vocabulary, which means to have babies. Now let's think of a chicken. Do chicken have babies? Yes. We call them chicks. What about dogs? Do dogs have babies? Yes, we call them puppies. So anything that reproduces or that has babies, it's a living thing. At the same time, some of you have got cats. They also have kittens. So a cat is a living thing. So in general, we have animals and plants that are living things. They need air, they grow, they need food, and all sorts of things. Then let's go to non-living things. Non-living things, first of all, let's look at our word non. Non means not. So it means not living. They don't live, they don't grow, they don't move, they don't do anything. An example of this is a table. Can a table move by itself? No. Have you ever seen a table growing? No. So you might think of lots of things. I want you to check around yourself and see the things that are non-living, that they don't grow, that they don't do the things that we talked about in living things. Then after that, we are going to have a lovely worksheet. And it's very easy. It says, is it living? You just have to